wasn't one wound, it wasn't one day. It was years of silence that chipped away each broken promise, a grain of sand, till the storm rose heavy out of hand. I carried the weight and never found rest, and the hurricane lives in my chest. You smile like him, but the trust was thin. I gave and lost again and again. The tally was small, but the weight was vast. A future stolen, a shadow cast. I labored in silence, gave all my best, and the hurricane lived in my chest. I forgave the debts, I forgave the lies, but forgiveness alone can't quiet the cries. The years rolled on, but the storm held fast, a brother's wound that will not pass. I prayed for the calm, but I got no rest, and the hurricane lives in my chest. One day the winds will break and fall, and I'll stand taller above it all. But until that calm comes, I'll confess the storm still rages without regrets. I'll sing till the end, till I've given my best, and the hurricane